Good day all. Welcome to Bridge LCS. In this video, we are going to be discussing about one of the important features. Today's topic is vouchers. Go to finance. There are three types of vouchers in Bridge LCS, that is payment voucher, internal voucher and transfer voucher. This video will be all about the payment voucher and the remaining vouchers will be covered as different parts. In Bridge LCS, if a customer pays you or if you pay to your supplier, you can create vouchers from here. This automatically changes the status of payment in the job section, provided the voucher should be approved. Now let's quickly see how to create a payment voucher. Click on New Voucher. Select the account number, date of voucher creation, type of voucher, whether it is collection voucher or payment voucher, sub-voucher type, voucher text, bank, reference number and check number if you have it with you. Upload the document or any other copy of confirmation document you have with you on the successful payment here. Choose the type, whether it is related to your customer or supplier, own account, bank or truck allowance. For example, I am selecting customer as the type. So I'll be getting the list of customers in the transaction ID. Choose the job and amount. You can see a linking button here. Click on the button. You'll be getting the list of invoices involved with this particular job. Select the required invoice and get back to the voucher page. Make sure the remaining amount is 0 after filling all the required fields. Click on Save. Initially, the newly created voucher will be present in the unapproved section. Right-click on the unapproved voucher and click on Approve. If you want to print the voucher, right-click and click on Print. This is how the voucher looks like. Receipt can also be printed separately if you require. Click on Print Receipt. This is how the official receipt looks like. These are all the features that this section holds. The remaining parts will be covered in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.